It's me. I'm back again, Byybz. And I wanted to go over a video a little astray from my normal kinds of videos. I do gaming, and if you watched some of my more recent videos, I talked a bit about my upload schedule. And every other Tuesday, I'm going to be doing a non-gaming related video. This one's going to be a tutorial about how to make your first YouTube video. Now, it's not the best tutorial in the world, I'll give it that. I'm just coming up with it as I go. I've gotten a little bit set up, but not too much yet. So, first I'll go over the supplies you need, like actual physical things, not softwares or anything yet. So you're gonna want to go and get a microphone, obviously. Now this is the microphone I use. It can go from $50 to like $70 here, $100 here for whatever reason. I buy my stuff on Amazon, but you can get it wherever you want. So then, once you've gotten a mic, get a pop filter. Without a pop filter, if you look at your mic while you're talking, all the air will go into the mic. It'll make this nasty crackling poppy noise, and it's bad. It's not great. So you don't really need a lot of stuff if you're doing gaming videos. Obviously you're gonna need a computer and stuff, but if you have a mic to plug into a computer, I'm just gonna assume you already have a computer. You can use desktops or laptops. I use a laptop because it's more mobile and cheaper. Desktops are more powerful. They've got their pluses. You need mice and all that, but that's not really for videos. That's more just for having a computer in general. So now that you've got everything you need physically, and by the way, make sure it's compatible with your computer. I use a Mac. All this is compatible with Mac and Windows, but make sure it's compatible to your computer. But now that we've got that done, get a screen recording software. Again, that is compatible with your computer. You're going to be really sad if you download one of these only to find out that it doesn't work with your computer. So there's plenty here. The one I use isn't on here. I have Camtasia. I just couldn't get it to work. So that's why I'm not using it. Oh, there's mine. QuickTime. I use QuickTime Player. For now. So that's only if you want to do gaming videos. If you want to do, other types of videos, you need cameras. I have a camera too. I don't know where it is. But you're gonna need cameras and stuff like that. This is mostly gonna be centered around, if you're doing gaming videos or things on your computer. Obviously, you can get free software for recording with, like QuickTime Player, but you can get better ones just by paying a couple monies. And it's honestly really worth it. Now, second, I assume you've already done this, because this is how to make your first gaming video, after all, or computer video, or whatever. This is compatible with vlogs and stuff too. Except you wouldn't use recording softwares. Second, you're going to want to go to YouTube, and you're going to look around for what you want to make. I'm already going based on the idea that you want to do gaming videos, because that's what I do, and it's easiest for me. I'm not going to be specifically going into cameras and stuff for vlogs, but you're going to need a camera and stuff. So you're going to want to scroll through YouTube and see what kind of videos you want to make. Now right here I have a lot of Minecraft videos because I was just looking for ideas, but you can see I watched a lot of gaming videos. Again, this is, for me, easier to do it on gaming videos rather than vlogs because I've never done a vlog. I've tried, it was miserable, it was horrible, it was too long to edit. I mean, you might like it, but I don't. Now once you've picked out what you want to make, you're gonna want to find some YouTubers on the subject. Since I do Minecraft videos currently, I'll stray away from that eventually. I'll start doing other kinds of videos. Maybe I won't, maybe I will. I just enjoy Minecraft. So, you're going to want to find some YouTubers that you like. So there's people like Mumbo Jumbo. Here's two of my favorite. Mumbo Jumbo, who does redstoning. Grian, who does building stuff. And this guy here, he's amazing. You're definitely going to want to subscribe to this guy. Anyway, so now that you've gotten all that done, you're going to want to actually make your video. So since I'm using QuickTime Player, I just click this, I click File, New Screen Recording. Obviously grayed out because I'm doing one right now. If you're using other things, you just open it up. Maybe you can find a different tutorial on that specific program, but all that you're going to need to do is open up your program and start screen recording. So once you got that done, obviously your screen is being recorded, or it's not, and you're going to want to wait to start it. Make sure you've got your new microphone all nice and plugged in, make it the way you want. So now that that's all done, start your screen recording, and then film your video. You're going to be like, oh boy, today I'm going to be doing a brand new gameplay of that. And then, yeah, you're going to want to do the parts of a video, which are the intro. Introduce yourself, say who you are, what you're doing. The actual meat of the video, which is what you're filming, which is what the people are there to see, and then the outro. Basically, don't be afraid to ask for subscriptions or likes and comments and stuff. It's not a bad thing to do. Like, you want those, obviously, because with the way YouTube's crap algorithm works, you need those to thrive on this site. Now that you've gotten all your video done, you're going to want to go into a Photoshop or whatever photo editing software you have. I've got Photoshop here, but you could use something like Krita, which is another alternative I have. And you're going to want to create your thumbnail. Now, I'm not going to be doing a big tutorial for that here. Same story as the screen recorder. I just don't want to. It'd be too much for the video, which is just supposed to be how to make your first video. Now, once you got thumbnail done, you're going to want to go to your editing software. I'm using iMovie because I don't really need to do that much editing, because iMovie, it's not great, but if all you need to do is cut your clips, which is all I need to do, then it's fine for what you're doing. So once you're done with that, you can save your video as an MP4 file or whatever. Go to YouTube. You're going to want to go to the home page. Then click this little button up here, and then do upload video. So once it's here, you can select the files you want to upload. I can't actually get into this because I don't have any video I want to upload right now other than this one. So once you've uploaded that, it'll take a while to render your video. You can import a thumbnail for your video. You're going to want to go through your all of the different things, like here, I'll show you in a minute. You're going to want to go through your what's the word? I'm so embarrassed. I'm blanking out. You're going to want to edit your video through the description and stuff. I already said that. Oh, the title. Why did I forget what title? You're going to do tags. You're going to want to put in, if it's a gaming video, you're going to change the category to gaming. You can do captions. You can set your recording date. You can set your video language, which for some reason isn't set on that video. I'll do that later. You can decide whether you want comments or not, age restriction, and all that. This is after you upload the video, by the way. Trust me, it's easier to do after you upload the video. To put your thumbnail in, you just take this. There's auto-generated thumbnails. You can insert a thumbnail too. I just use auto-generated thumbnails because I'm lazy. And yeah, so that's kind of a mini tutorial on how to make your first YouTube video. It's not the best tutorial. I'm not great at tutorials, but I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you liked the video. Come back to see more stuff like this. Thanks for watching, oh loyal viewer. Have a good one.